This 2001 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is brought to you by A Lot of Used Cars LLC. 2001 Chevy Silverado LT 4-door lifted pickup truck in excellent condition, only 138k miles, very clean inside and outside, runs and drives like excellent, almost new set of 35 and QUOD tires and lift kit loaded with options including ice-cold AC, dark window tint, lift kit, almost new set of tires, power windows, power door locks, remote key fob, set of 17 and QUOD, aluminum weld wheels, fog lights, power door mirrors, receiver hitch and trailer lights for towing, bed liner, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, heated back window, and power seats. Very strong 5.3 V8 engine and automatic transmission, clean title, no accidents, and again only 138k miles. Visit us at alotofUsedCarsAs.com.